Hi, my name is Jerry St. Florent, and I got my license at Driving Academy. I got my CDL license because I wanted a better life for my family, and I believed that this would be the best career choice. Driving Academy was great because it fit well around my schedule, and the instructors were excellent. Learned everything I needed to know, and with all the right help and all the right assistance. Driving Academy got me on the road to freedom.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.